Well, good morning. It is May 8th. It's one of the earliest seasons that I've ever been able to fish Port Credit, and surprisingly, we've got an influx of alewives.
Since when does Lake Ontario have goggle eye?
Bunch of them dying off all over the north and south shore, and luckily for us this year the cohos seem to have rolled up into the north shore as well. So our friend Wayne launched his little boat yesterday evening, and hey, and so we did a little practice run yesterday evening after launching our friend Wayne's boat here. And my buddy Bowen gave me a call, said, look, I seen some guys this morning just off the pier head, and there's rods going and lots of fish getting caught, and he was like, oh, there's small silvers. We figured maybe some small Atlantics or whatever it was. We didn't think cohos because we haven't seen a really good coho bite in a long time. We've only heard rumors, and probably before our time anyways. But either way, we've got Wayne's boat right here. It is a nifty little, what is it? I think it's a sport craft. No, it is. It's a nice little 23-foot sport craft. And we took it out for her first of the season run yesterday on the cohos, and we actually caught a bunch.
Got him.
We're going to try and go out and catch our limit again. We found ourselves an absolute rocket of a hot bait. This was a Bowen selection. He's very proud of it. And we got a few other baits that we're going to try today that are a little bit more curated for coho fishing, from at least what we've heard and what we've been taught over the years. So we're going to see what we can get. We're just waiting for Wayner to get down here. Bowen's bringing me my coffee, and then we'll get after it. Currently running two of them this morning. Kicker and Pro XS. Wayner put this one brand new on her last season. Nice one. The boys they're wheeling and dealing up there. They're planning their program right now. They're talking about baits they want to run. I know Bowen wants to run that one, but hopefully there's still some chewing.
So do you wanted to fish today?
No wonder what, no matter what I do, you're going to change it anyway.
Whoa.
What's this?
Big bite. Throw more? Throw more at it? Limit is not going well right now.
Did you lose it?
You lost it.
I think we'll let this out.
There you go.
All perfect.
That was at 3 miles an hour. Just so you know.
Wayner, are you interested?
Oh,
Are you sure?
you go ahead.
Wrap it around 3 times.
Well, you fucking lose it.
And Daddy, okay.
I'm not sure yet, but once he's doing the thing. Holy smokes. Oh, there he is. Big program. I don't care.
You're up on.
Let's see you do that, yank the hooks out of them again.
Crack coming through that.
Were you backwashing too? Just to be social?
We're getting nibbled here, Wayner.
How would you know?
I don't believe he's sure either. Another coho on. Keep it right in, Bowen.
I didn't want to pull hooks on it. Well, watch him take him out of the net. He's going to pull hooks.
What? Nice little coho there. Good eater.
Well, it's about time. I mean, my legs are sore from sitting weight. They're all about the same size.
You didn't think that one was
Got me something. I've got you something.
nice schmoho. Lady, you want to fight one?
On autopilot.
No, it is not. We are just going to drop off Bowen. He's got some tasks to do today, and then we're going to get back out there and see if we can crack a few more small coho. What do you think about this morning's program?
This big. Biggest one we got today. 1 pound.
That big, right there. Tough for fishing this morning, but made up for yesterday's performance. There we go.
Look at that. So, what?
Waiter, do you want it straight out? I'll put that one out and you can fight this one. Oh boy, Wiener.
Yes. Oh boy.
There we go. How fast are we going there?
26. Another one of them. Oh, the old son of a bitch. Where? Okay, you gotta watch the.
Nice little Atlantic there.
Fish. Good thing you switched that.
Ooh, this is a dapper.
Shut.
Breathe into the core. Breathe into the core, buddy. Or that. Oh, here we go. That's a good bite. Wiener. Wiener. Get him after it.
I think that's fish talk.
Oh. Oh, that's sneaky. Is that Captain Steven? How are you doing today, Captain Steve?
I'm doing well.
Okay.
So we decided we'd come down to see how you were doing.
Very nice, very nice. Thanks for joining us on today's episode of What Can We Break?
What would we do if there wasn't fishing?
Well, it'd be a pretty lonely life, I'll tell you that for free.
You pick?
Here. You ready? That's a hot ale. Queen, that's a hot ale.
Hard to get them that long.
Oh! It's on the old reef runner.
Over the neck, you're going in the box.
That's the dead one. Wiener's getting the knife all sharpened up for us. Very sharp.
Is it?
Very nice, yeah. These have all been like very nice.
But they didn't give a fuck. You know what happens?